they aimed for the sky and maybe they hit a tree. I mean, they're ambitious targets.
There's a lot of distance between trees and sky.
Yeah.
These weren't analyst estimates. These were what the company said, we will deliver this. And when analysts said that seems high, they said, no, we will deliver this. Buy our stock, we will deliver these numbers. They put those numbers in the press release, they put those numbers in the shareholder letter, they put those numbers in their 10-Qs. They did not deliver what they said they would. In fact, in the quarter that they just announced these numbers for, they delivered fewer Model S's than a year ago, fewer Model S's than in the last quarter. So Model S sales are falling by any measure, and Model X sales are nowhere near what Model S is, and there has been delay after delay after delay for the Model 3. So none of this is good news.
And what about the Model 3? Because there is a lot of backlog in terms of waiting for demand. This is meant to be the more price-friendly version. How are we worried, therefore, about them getting off the machines?
What we know is that they have consistently missed virtually every deadline they've ever set. So we know we can expect that this deadline might be missed, or maybe they'll make this latest delayed deadline. They keep pushing it back by quarters and halves of years and then full years. So we'll see if they actually get to that. We also don't know what the price is going to be. Now these deposits are not actually deposits. They're deposits for a place to be in line, because in most places they can't legally take deposits. But these are also fully refundable. So for a lot of customers, we expect that these might be just sort of trying to get a foot in the door. A lot of people want these cars that they haven't seen before, but a lot of people also probably want the option to get the car, and it's really a price on the option, not actually someone who's going to take the car ultimately.
But after hours trading down just 2%, it's not a massive concern, it seems, to the market.
It's not to the market, and it's not till it is, right? I mean, look, this is a cult stock. This is stock people want to believe the very best in, but the numbers here are just not very strong. You saw the big dip in the stock right afterwards, but this is yet another company, I think, where the short-term trading in the market doesn't reflect the valuation of the company. The valuation of this company is based on hope for something that has yet to be delivered, obviously, because the company doesn't have generation of free cash flow. It doesn't have consistency in really anything here, except for these announcements that get people excited. But even this one is probably worrisome. I mean, if it's going to be a big business, it's going to have to grow. If their main product is selling less than it has both last quarter and last year, that's bad news.